Hi, Merry Christmas. This is Peggy. I wanted to show you a train junk journal that I made for my parents. I used this book here, The Day of the Diesel. It's a little golden book. This is the front. Here's the side. Little dangle. And this is the back. And here's the side with some of the trims. I added in a library pocket on this side. And this trim, this denim trim down this side. It was an Echo Park paper that I used, and I did do some stamping. I used a lot of washi tape. The pack came with some little ephemera, and I just used some of the cut-off strips from the paper for some of the embellishments. This has 3 signatures, and in each signature I added a pocket folder. In this one I added one of these plastic pockets and put a tag in it. I added some different children's book pages. This is one from, I forget the name of it, but it has songs in it. I think it's We Sing is the name of the book. Made a little corner pocket with a few little pieces of cutouts in it. A few of these that you can put pictures in journaling. More songs from the book. I've been working on the railroad. This is one of those 3-tier pockets, but I also used the back of it as an additional pocket. And I just put little pieces inside that. This one I just made it like a banner type thing, and then I just tucked this inside it. And another thing that I tucked, another embellishment that I tucked another thing inside. It's just another side pocket with some of the pieces from the collection. Just a small piece of trim over here. And I used the 4x6 cards, but I just folded them in half to make another signature. I used a piece of denim to make a pocket here. It's denim trim. I also used some pages from an old vintage book about a train, and it has my parents' names in it, so I thought that was fun. And here's another train stamp. I believe those are Stampin' Up. Another side pocket, and this one has a little thing where you can put pieces inside it also. And I found another vintage book on model trains, and I used a few of those in this book also. This is just a belly band, and I have this heart denim piece and another scrapbook page down there from a 6x6 pad. This is the envelope I made. Put a few pieces of ephemera in there for her cutouts. Here's more printouts. I think this is from KB and Friends. I did print out some digitals from them also. Another little text spot. And on that one I used it as a side text spot. There's more pictures from that vintage book. When I was shopping with my mom one day, we picked up these bottle caps, and I thought I'd use a few of those in it also. And this is the back of the 4x4 cut-aparts that I used as a cover for that signature. It's another piece of trim. Fun paper. I really like it. What do you think? Do you like it? On this one, I attached that, but I left a space to do, you know, a tuck spot. And here's a little tiny heart button. My dad was also in the Navy, so I put Anchors Away in here. Here's another one of the KB and Friends. I believe this one's KB and Friends also. More stamping. Another tuck spot with some embellishment, or a tag and a card. This was an old Thomas the Train set, flashcard set that I had, and I used a few of those in it. There's a few more things to put pictures or journaling on, and this was another song I found about trains. Just another little embellishment thing, and I added some trim to it. Another tuck spot with all of these things in it. She can just use those anywhere. Here's a marine hem. This was another tuck spot that I made, and I just stuck that up there. There's another one of those bottle caps we found shopping at an antique store. And on the back, I put a pocket and another cutout from the collection, but I also have this printout from the KB and Friends store. And what I did was I used the trim from the book on this, and I just made her another little golden book that she can write notes in. My mom likes to write notes down. So it's just a little book. There are some stamping. There's a little bit of stamping in it. Another little fun book that she can play with. And that's it. That's my Thomas the Train junk journal. Hope you like it. Please leave a kind comment. And have a very Merry Christmas. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. God bless.